Hello children, welcome to 4th standard social science class. Today we are going to learn about Madras Presidency, the story of Madras Presidency. Let's go into the video. The Indian state of Tamil Nadu has 38 districts after several splits of the original 13 districts at the formation of the state on 1st November 1956. Okay. The Indian state of Tamil Nadu has 38 districts. How many districts in Tamil Nadu? 38 districts. After several splits of the original 13 districts at the formation of the state on 1st November 1956. In 1956, only 13 districts in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now 38 districts. The states are further divided into taluks and smaller administrative units. The states are further divided into taluks and smaller administrative units. The Tamil Nadu government has redrawn the revenue boundaries of 4 districts for the creation of the already announced 5 new districts. The Tamil Nadu government has redrawn the revenue boundaries of 4 districts for the creation of the already announced 5 districts: Tenkasi, Tripattur, Ranipet, Chengalpet and Kallakurichi. The 5 new districts Tenkasi, Tirupattur, Ranipet, Chengalpet and Kallakurichi. Okay. Marina Beach, Thillai Nadarajar Temple in Kadalur, Mahabalipuram in Kanchipuram, Pulikat Lake in Tiruvallur, Arunachaleswarar Temple in Tiruvannamalai, Vellur Fort, Gingi Fort. These are tourist places in Region 1. Marina Beach, Thillai Nadarajar Temple in Chidambaram, Mahabalipuram, Pulikat Lake, Arunachaleswarar Temple, Vellur Fort, Gingi Fort. These are tourist places, Region 1 tourist places. Major industries in Region 1: automobiles, handicraft, silk in Kanchipuram, agriculture in Tiruvallur, silk reeling in Tiruvannamalai, leather in Vellur, sugar in Viluppuram. Okay, automobiles in Chennai, handicraft in Kadalur, silk Kanchipuram, agriculture Tiruvallur, silk reeling Tiruvannamalai, leather Vellur, sugar Viluppuram. Tourist places in Region 2: Valparai in Coimbatore, Okenakal waterfalls in Dharmaburi, Bhavanisagar Dam in Erode, Krishnagiri Reservoir Project in Krishnagiri, Kolli Hills Namakkal, Yerkad Salem, Botanical Garden Nilgiris, Amaravati Dam Tirupur. These are tourist places in Region 1. Okay. Then the major industries in Region 2: cotton, pump manufacturing in Coimbatore, horticulture and Kair cotton textile in Dharmaburi, automobiles in Krishnagiri, poultry in Namakkal, steel and sago Salem, flower exporting the Nilgiris, ready-made garments in Tirupur. Okay. Tourist places in Region 3. Region 3: Gangaikonda Cholapuram, Ariyalur, Pasupatishwarar Temple, Karur, Poombuhar, Nagapattinam, Mile Wootru Waterfalls, Perambalur, Chittannavasal, Pudukottai, Rahadishwara Temple, Tanjavur, Rock Fort, Tiruchirappalli, Tyagaraja Temple, Tiruvarur, Kodaikanal, Dindigul. These are the tourist places in Region 3. Okay. Then major industries in Region 3: cement in Ariyalur, paper and textile in Karur, fishing in Nagapattinam, sugar in Perambalur, Kair in Pudukottai, handicraft in Tanjavur, gem cutting in Tiruchirappalli, food products and packet water, it's in Tiruvarur. Tourist places in Region 4. Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari, Meenakshi Amman Temple in Madurai, Pamban Island, Rameshwaram in Ramanathapuram, Vetangudi Bird Sanctuary in Sivagangai, Suruli Falls and Vaigai Dam in Theni, Tiruchendur Murugan Temple in Thoothukudi, Kutralam in Tirunelveli, Ayyanar Falls in Virudhunagar. Okay. Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari, Meenakshi Amman Temple in Madurai, Pamban Island in Rameshwaram, Vetangudi Bird Sanctuary in Sivagangai, Suruli Falls, Vaigai Dam in Theni, Tiruchendur Murugan Temple in Thoothukudi, Kutralam in Tirunelveli, Ayyanar Falls in Virudhunagar. Then major industries in Region 4. Wooden furniture and rubber in Kanyakumari. Agricultural implements manufacturing in Madurai. Preserved seafood handicraft made in palm leaf in Ramanathapuram. Sugar in Sivagangai. Spices in Theni. Fertilizer in Thoothukudi. Cottage in Tirunelveli. Cotton and cement in Virudhunagar. Okay. Vivekananda Rock Memorial, Meenakshi Amman Temple, Pamban Island in Rameshwaram, Vetangudi Bird Sanctuary, Suruli Falls, Vaigai Dam, Tiruchendur Murugan Temple, Kutralam, Ayyanar Falls. These are tourist places in Region 4. Region 4. Thank you, children. We will meet in next video. Thank you.